how to fix YouTube not working on smart TV. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can fix YouTube not working on your smart TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is cold boot or soft reset your smart TV. Over here, unplug the power cable and wait for a minute. Then plug it back in. This will clear the cache and hopefully fix the issue for most of you. After that, make sure you are connected to a stable network. You can check this by browsing the internet or using any other streaming apps on your TV. Then check for system updates. Open the side panel, go to all settings, and then support. Over here, you'll find the software update option. Select it, click on update now, and your TV will download the necessary updates if available. After that, go back and try opening YouTube again. Hopefully, this time it will work. If you're still facing issues, then reinstalling YouTube should do the trick. Over here, go to apps, and from the top right corner, enter settings. Find YouTube, and since it's a built-in app, you can't delete it, but you will see the reinstall option. Select that, and your TV will uninstall and reinstall YouTube. Then try opening YouTube again, and it should work without any issues. So that's how you can fix YouTube not working on your smart TV. That's all for this video.